Hi, my name is Jarrod. I'm the Repair Center Manager here at BARTEC, and today I'm going to show you the scanner software on Hot Tab on the Agile Legs. Let's get to it. So, you have Hot Tab right here on your desktop. You will need to click on Hot Tab in order to get to the scanner software. Once Hot Tab comes up, you'll go ahead and click on Device and Options, and you have the barcode at the top. Click on Barcode, and then you have the scanner software up here, right here. On default settings, it may be turned off. You want to make sure you turn it on, and that way you know that the scanner is functioning correctly. So you have your 3 seconds, the read time options right here. You can change how long you want the laser to stay on, the level. You have your output, where you want the information to be output towards, and then you have a prefix and suffix section, which is in the settings area. Once you click on settings, that will pop up. I pre-input BARTEC and I pre-input US. So basically, once you scan a barcode, that's what the information will come on for you. So once you scan that information, then you have BARTEC pop up in front of the serial numbers or whatever barcode you scan, and you have US. So whatever information you input at the end, that's what's gonna come up for you. And so once you see again right here, prefix and suffix. And then on the right side, you have that pen, enter, a pen, second enter, a pen tab. And then once you basically, if you want to check those boxes, you go once again in settings, you go ahead and check those off, click OK. And then after you click OK, once you make sure everything is fine and correct, then this is the information that will pop up for you once you scan. It'll automatically hit enter after each, code that you scan of the serial number. So once again, that was a real quick introduction on the scanner software, on what you can do with the, on Hot Tab itself. And, if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to my little buddy down here, Jarrod Jr. He'll take care of you. What's up, little man? You good? Oh, high five. Yeah. So you can reach out to him at jarrod.jones@bartec.com. And thank you for watching this video.